Alright guys, here's a Ruud achiever running at a barber shop, basically. Yeah, it's running. It's very has a lot of these things on it. Clean it up a little bit. Alright, there we go. Sorry that took a while. Oh, here it is running. LG scroll compressor. Gentech fan motor. That's about outdoor temperature, and then that is really ice cold and sweaty. It's working pretty good. It is a straight cool unit. Now, let's get the data. 2024 4-ton. This Ruud Endeavor RA14AZ. So yeah. Well, I might as well just call it a Ruud achiever because, and also it's kind of rattly. There we go. Alright, thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Over and out.